it's running low. It's running. It's running.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need that Heimlich, throw that that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, yeah. Throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low-key. I'm sipping low-key and honest, rider. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. This way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that hard man, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, yeah. Throw that to the side, yeah. When I'm pulling up right beside you, pop star Lil Mariah. When I text a cute gay and wildness, throw a stack on the Bible. Never Snapchat or took Molly. She fought through plenty, her and all her guineas. Yeah, we at the top floor, right there off through Henny. Yeah, oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Yeah, when I'm with my squad, I cannot do no wrong. Yeah, saucing in the city, don't get misinformed. Yeah, they gon' pull up on you, brr, brr, brr. Yeah, we gon' do some things you can't relate. Yeah, cause we from a place you cannot stay. Oh, you can't go, oh, I don't know. Oh, back the fuck up. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. This way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that high, man, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah.
Is it life, is it not? I want everything you got. I just gotta keep on showing, keep on flexing what I got. I just wanna keep on riding, man. I know I'll never stop. No, I'll never stop. No, I'll never stop.
And I'm on my bullshit, yeah. I got my own shit, yeah. And mama told me, yeah, that I'ma just go big, yeah. All of my homies are famous, ayy. Living this life got me thinking, ayy. And all of my mind I'm in Vegas, ayy. Living my life could be dangerous, ayy.
That's for them chicas that I'll get in Vegas. I got my family calling me crazy. That's for them homies I'm talking to lately. I gotta tell them I finally made it. Is it not? I want everything you got. I just gotta keep on showing, keep on flexing what I got. I just wanna keep on riding, man. I know I'll never stop. No, I'll never stop. No, I'll never stop.
I just want the mad bullshit bitches and I gotta get it cause I'm never frigid, man. I'm all about my motherfucking business. You can find me blazing, thinking about my wishes. All the riches never purchase feelings, but it's always crazy thinking about the Christmas when all you're gifting is a Maserati. You know, my God, they do Ferrari.
My homie, he told me he got into brokerage, flipping these flights like it's hocus pocus. Meanwhile I'm sleeping and got into bogus. Look in the mirror like, man, I should focus. Fuck it, tonight I'm just popping more Phillies. Drank to the morning, I can't even feel me. Hitting these bars like I'm Tupac and Biggie. I got your bitch and I'm honey, you feel me? Ay, she tripping tonight, she wanted some more, I give her that dope. Ay, I'll keep on riding till the day I die. Don't sleep on me, cause I'll never stop, I'll never stop. Gotta keep on riding, gotta keep on riding, gotta keep on riding till the day I die. Keep on riding, keep on riding, keep on riding till the day I die. I just want the better bougie bitches and I gotta get it, cause I'm never fringing, man. I'm all about my motherfucking business. You can find me blazing, thinking about my wishes. All them riches never purchase feelings, but it's always crazy thinking about the Christmas when all you're gifting is a Maserati.